Superheroes don't work alone. They climb the highest when they stand on giant shoulders. You must have guessed where we are going with this. But first, are you looking to get a jumpstart to your career? Targeting a sweet career spot? Or simply not sure where to begin? Well, don't worry, you're at the right place. At Apps2Fusion, we help you embark on a high-growth, lucrative career path that marries your domain with technology and your interest. Think of us as the Alfred to your Batman. You'll get unlimited training in Oracle Cloud SaaS, PaaS, cloud computing, Azure, AWS, and more at just $29 per month. You can enroll in as many courses as you want and complete them at your own pace and convenience. But wait, where should you start? We place a huge importance on choosing a career path that is right for you. There are several to choose from and various job roles to target that are in huge demand and have a high growth potential. The important career paths require you to have more than one type of skill set, which is why we have combined all our offerings in a single unlimited subscription. We help you to not only choose a career path that suits you, but nurture your career progression throughout each step, even when you have completed all the courses you wanted to. You can embark on an HCM consultant career path, or you can go for becoming an Azure solution architect. If you have a background in accounting, you may want to target becoming a functional financial consultant, and we'll be there to help you at each step of the ladder. With our unlimited subscription, you get top-class courses taught by industry experts, 24/7 cloud SaaS instance access, video recordings and downloadable training materials, discussion forum to get your queries resolved. Join the Apps2Fusion family, where so many of our students have taken a big step in climbing their career ladder. Let's do this together.